M Jayachandran and his super adorable family, a rare unseen collection. M Jayachandran, born in the year 1971 to Mr. Madhusoodhanan Nair and Mrs. Sukumari, spent most of the early years of his childhood in Cochin. Though he later moved to Trivandrum, he still merrily calls himself a Kochikkaran. It was his father who introduced him to the world of music, and his brother Prakash Chandran became his ardent supporter, philosopher and guide. It was the dream of his family to make him a renowned musician. He holds a degree in electrical engineering from College of Engineering, Trivandrum. M Jayachandran got married to Priya on 12th of November, 1995. They have two sons, Nandagopal and Karthik Gopal. M Jayachandran's wife, Priya Jayachandran, a vivid follower and inspiration of music. Here are some beautiful family moments from M Jayachandran and family. M Jayachandran with his eldest son, Nandagopal. Nandu is keenly following dad's passion of music. Priya Jayachandran with her sons, Nandagopal and Karthik Gopal. M Jayachandran with his youngest son, Karthik Gopal from Dubai vacation spot. Here are more heartwarming pictures of M Jayachandran and family. M Jayachandran, an admirer of the serene world of music, a vivid musician who has been diverting his fans for the past 2 decades, nothing but a boon to the Malayalam music industry. M Jayachandran started getting trained in classical music at the tender age of 5. If you liked this video, please share with your friends, and don't forget to click the subscribe button.